Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. I know I promised I'm supposed to I know I promised I'm supposed to come, 2-3 weeks ago or even maybe 1 month ago, I forgot. The day has arrived. Today is the final day of all EPL matches and I as a Manchester United fan, what I did was a few days ago I posted on my Twitter account that if Manchester United fails to finish top 4, I will go bald. Yes, I said that. I will go bald. So this is a challenge that I took, and many of my friends reacted to it. Many of my Twitter followers, Instagram followers reacted to that, and many of them can't wait to see me bald. But I can't wait to prove you wrong that United will finish top 4. So what we'll be doing today is later on I'll be heading to my friend's house. I'll be fetching him and then we're going to another friend's house and we're watching the game there. And he's a Chelsea fan, the guy who's hosting the whole thing. So of course Chelsea versus Wolves on another side, United versus Leicester on another side, and it's going to be a huge showdown. Well, let's see what today has for us. Let's go. By the way, our very good friend Mr. Nishantan Puspanathan is here. They can't see you, day. The angle சரியா தெரியல. டேய் சொல்றா சொல்றா ஏதோ சொல்றா. Anything to say to your very close friends?
Please go Balda.
See, I really don't understand why everyone is so excited about me going bald. I know I took it as a challenge, okay? But you don't need to be. Shut up, I say. I don't know, man. What nonsense is this? But like I said again, the disturbance of the country. But again, like I said, I took it as a challenge. I'll take it like a man. I'll do it. There's no cheat games or lying and all in my principles. I
hope so.
Sorry for the disturbance, but yes, this is a challenge and I'll take it. All right. So currently I'm on the way with our Mr. Sanjeev Somasundaram.
Hello.
So I'm sure you have seen him if you watched my previous vlogs, you would have been there. So we are on the way to Jasco. What happened is I'm supposed to wear a United jersey. As you can see, I'm not wearing a United jersey right now. What happened is my jersey is actually in the bag where I keep all the things that I brought back from US. I have not opened that bag yet. I don't want to. I don't plan to anytime soon. So I'm planning to go and get a new jersey from Alixan if they have, or any United t-shirt just to show my loyalty to the club. Sanjeev, viewers க்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு மெசேஜ் சொல்றா.
என்னடா சொல்றது?
True. Poda. What a disappointing day. Don't have. Apparently Adidas also doesn't have the jersey, so I'm probably just gonna rock this red. But I have a few merch. I brought a few United merch in my bag. I brought my hat, of course, and then I brought another. I don't know what they call that. Is it a? I don't know. I'll show you guys later. What the hell? Yeah, I'll show you guys later what that is. But yeah, I'm pretty disappointed that they don't have a jersey here, and it's really saddening. But I hope we finish top 4. Okay, I just wanted to get the jersey to show my loyalty to the club. but it's okay. It doesn't matter whether you have a jersey or not. What matters is what you bleed inside. I bleed Manchester United. This will bleed some shit club. So yeah. But yeah, really hoping for the game. Let's see what happens.
2 hours later.
Hi, Chelsea fan.
Chelsea fan ready to win
Ready to lose today?
No.
Bloody hell.
That's the reason why I call many MU fans,
Oh yes, sure.
See them cry.
Wait, so what are we watching?
You're watching MU Leicester, definitely.
What about the Wolves game then?
There's
What
no-
are you going to say to that team that you're wearing there right there?
How many balls do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4-0 today.
Oh, sure. Then what about the number 3 Chris?
4-3.
What are you going to say about that? Oh,
4-3, I don't
okay.
mind.
Okay, fair enough. Harish at work.
I have both Sterling and Mahrez also doesn't matter. It's okay.
This is Mr. Annamalai. And this is Mr. Arunachalam. Coincidentally, they have Rajinikanth names. I mean, Rajinikanth film name. Hey, inga paarunga. Loose pilangla. Oh, by the way, that's Sachman. I forgot to introduce him. And this is Harish.
Guys, don't just watch. Make sure to subscribe.
Hey, that's right.
Subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. man.
There you go. Alright, guys, we are all watching the game right here in Sachman's house, and the game just started. There you go. It's the 4th minute, and we are on now. Let's go, let's go. My hair is on the line. Do you think Manchester United will win?
Of course.
Okay, I'm gonna censor that. Alvin, my hair is on the line. Who do you think Manchester United will win?
I think United will draw.
what
Chelsea will lose.
Okay, so anyway, you're saying that we're gonna finish top 4?
Yes.
Okay, that's still positive. Harish?
Yeah,
thoughts?
even if we do lose, I'm looking forward to seeing you go ball.
Oh, shut up! Sanjay,
Hope they lose.
என்னது?
Hope they lose.
Okay.
Hey,
So that's everyone's verdict. Let's
come
just
on.
see how the game goes. What the hell, bro? Come on!
Rashes on United.
So, current situation, Chelsea is 2-0 up against Wolves,
Olivier Giroud!
which means we have to either we have to win or keep a draw against Leicester. Or not,
I'm not going for a draw. I don't want to lose the third spot.
it's gone.
Few moments later.
It's a penalty.
Please, come
For
on!
Manchester United.
It's clearly not an issue, and it is a penalty.
Penalty.
By the way, Casper saved the most penalties. Yeah.
Penalty.
Please.
Bruno Fernandes. Crystal Palace.
For me, next transfer, I like that. We got like.
What the hell? Jesse Lingard is coming in. That's it! What the hell? Jesse Lingard is coming in.
United back amongst the big boys. Roy Group.
Viva on this, the big boys, man. Let's go! Vamos!
One run.
Feels frittered away, and he must content himself.
Glory, glory, Man United. Glory, glory, Man United. Let the Reds go marching on. Let's go! Shake hands on.
Shake hand.
Shake hands.
Can lah.
Chicken or this? Gobi.
Oh yeah.
No. The side of it. Side.
Oh, okay, I'll do that too.
Sasha, come see your Chelsea.
Both made it to top 4, bro. Let's go. Woohoo! Yes! We actually qualified. Do you see all this hair? Do you see all this hair that I get to keep? It was really intense because I kept my hair online and we weren't playing the first half very well, and Chelsea on the other hand was dominating Wolves on the other side. It was a really intense day yesterday. Yes, I don't need to go ball. I'm so happy. But yeah, yesterday was actually a very intense day for all football fans, in the sense that because we had to wait, Chelsea, Wolves, United, Leicester, all these 4 teams had to wait until the last day to see if they actually get a chance for Europa or Champions League. So things went well. We actually won. Bruno Fernandes did his thing, scored the penalty, slaughtered it, And then Jesse Lingard on the other hand, if I'm not mistaken, Jesse Lingard scored after a very long time. It's probably 1.5 years or around 2 years since he actually scored. And wow, the fact that he actually scored the final goal of the whole entire 1920 EPL season is astonishing. Yesterday was such a great game. Of course, Sashman was such a great man. He actually hosted us for some barbecue, and then after that we watched the game at his house. Despite the fact that he was a Chelsea fan, he still allowed United fans to watch the game on his big screen, and he was actually watching his Chelsea game on a small laptop. He didn't mind that. Kudos to my man. Both Chelsea and United made it to the top 4, so kudos to that too. I'm happy that United is going into the Champions League. We can finally invest in better players, because those players will be wanting to play in the Champions League, and in the sense that this time we have higher chances of getting Sancho. I hope we get Sancho. We need a new left wing back. Shaw is going to take forever to come back. We need a new left wing back. We cannot rely on Brandon Williams. That's all I have for yesterday's game verdict. We weren't on our best game, but we still won. That's a win is a win, right? 3 points all the way. We are playing in UCL. Okay, that's all I have for this vlog. Do like this video, share it to your United friends. If you're not a United fan, don't be salty. And if you're a United fan, give it a like and share it to your friends too. And of course, do subscribe to my channel. There are more vlogs coming on this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.